She broke Meerabai Chanu's record by snatching an impressive 90 kg at the ongoing National Games in Goa. In spite of not being able to practice regularly due to unrest in Manipur, Fandom Ranibala achieved this enormous feat in women's 55 kg category. Hailing from the region known as Cradle of Indian weightlifting, Ranibala is the daughter of a modest farmer and a housewife. In an interview with The Bridge, she said she was inspired by big names winning medal at the international stage, so she decided to take up weightlifting early in her life. Groomed by seasoned coaches such as Anita Chawne and Brajendra, Ranibala has been toiling hard for more than a decade now. Her family, hardly able to make ends meet, keep on supporting her. In spite of financial difficulties, the lifter rose through the ranks and finally delivered a statement in Goa, winning gold with a record-breaking snatch and a 106 kg clean and jerk. Ranibala wants to excel at the bigger stage now and replicate or even better Meerabai's feat, but it is easier said than done. The finances required to achieve elite results are inexistent, and she is yet to be offered a job. Every day possesses a new challenge. The conflicts in Manipur have disturbed regimes of sportspersons like her. If Fandom Ranibala is not given the right kind of resources at this critical stage, India might lose a potential international superstar.